from the spaghetti dinner, but we're glad you did show up, and we very much do appreciate it. My name is Scott Fisher. I'm with the Palm Harbor Voters United. We're a nonpartisan citizens group that's working to get our penny dollars to come back to Palm Harbor. The penny is an infrastructure surtax that the voters voted to impose upon themselves. This is the third decade, will be the third decade from 2011 to 2020. Since we're unincorporated, don't have a local government, our funds goes to the county commissioners, and what generally happens is a lot of it gets spent on countywide projects, very little gets spent on local projects. So we're dedicating ourselves and our efforts to try to get our fair share of our penny dollars back to Palm Harbor. We're going to go ahead, I don't know if any of y'all got the brochures, but we're going to go ahead and start with the congressional, go to the state representative, and then the county commissioners. We also have a representative here from Rick Scott's campaign, if they would like to give a brief introduction of themselves. We did not realize when we set this up that I guess Congress, I think, is in session. So Gus was not able to attend, or Representative Congressman Young. DePalma had indicated that she would be attending, however, she did not show up. So since Gus is not here either, we're going to go ahead and skip that presentation. We'll let Rick Scott's representative step up here briefly, do a brief introduction. Then we're going to go with Congressman Young's representative. We'll give them, since the candidate isn't here, we'll go ahead and give them a couple of minutes, 2 minutes, allowing each of the candidates 5 minutes presentation. So we'll start with Rick Scott, go to Representative Young's representative, then Charlie Justice. Then we'll go ahead and basically go in name of the order. So then that will be followed by Tom LaComb for State Representative District 45, Peter Neer, who is currently Republican representation there, and then the county commissioners will be Kellen Harris, Norm Roach, Bob Hackworth, and Susan Mottball. So I've taken up enough of your time, so if Rick Scott's representative would